Meet Abby. Abby's an agent just like you. As you probably know, Keller Williams has a lot of agents, about 170,000 of them. And that's not counting all the other guys. That means you need to find ways to really stand out. Abby, you're not trying to do this on your own, are you? Oh boy. Well, Abby, good luck to you, I say. Well, there she goes, hammering away at the keys. Oh boy, looks rough. Let's check in with Abby. Are you finished? Well, how did it turn out? May we have a look? Oh, the moment of truth. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, that was a good try. I know you never signed up to be a web designer, but I have an idea. I think it's time to hire a professional. Let's call Brandco. They've helped thousands of agents just like you. When you hire Brandco, you'll be working with a talented and professional designer that knows what it takes to grow your real estate business. And while Brandco is hard at work on Abby's branding and website, Abby can keep doing what she does best, which is meeting with clients. Now that Abby's new brand is done, Abby's getting more leads, more referrals, and she has a website she's proud of. Oh, and she's having more fun too. So if you're tired of boring branding that looks like everyone else and you'd like to stand out just like Abby, give Brandco a call or visit with us today.